What's going on, people? This is EC Frost from EC Eats. I'm out here to the church doing a little renovation to the church, get a little hungry. So, show you how to make it do what you do with only what you got. We really don't have a stove up in here, but we do have a little burner. So, getting ready to cook me some catfish nuggets, some grits. Y'all stay tuned. I guarantee it's gonna be good. So I'm cooking them grits right there in the microwave. You know, that old fast grits. But see, I'm gonna tell you a little secret about that. I ain't gonna do it right now because I really ain't got time. But you cook that thing until, cook it longer than what it's on the pack. And what you gonna do, get you some milk. Add your little milk in that thing. And some butter. I'm gonna put some butter in there. I might put some milk in it. We will see. Stay tuned. We're gonna see how this turn out. Got that old burner here. You know, something simple. Got some old grease. I done already seasoned up them catfish. Some of that they're soul seasoning right there. You know, I ain't home, so I ain't got all the other seasoning. I got some other stuff. I can put some of this on for y'all. Chicken seasoning. Chicken on it, girl. Boy, over there. I guarantee it's gonna be good. Y'all stay tuned. I'll let you know how it turn out. I'm put some of that fish fry, that Louisiana. Yeah, and I put some of that on there. We get ready to throw down this hot grease, and we gonna see how that's gonna be in just a few minutes. Grease kind of hot. I gotta cool it down. See smoke too hot. That's too hot. When you see it smoking like that, that's too hot. So I gotta cool it down a little bit. But I'll be right back in a minute. I guarantee you, it's gonna be good. I said I wasn't gonna do it, but I went ahead and did it anyway. Throw some milk in there. The only kind of milk I had was canned milk, evaporated. But if you got regular milk, that's all good. I throw some butter in there too. See that butter in there? Probably put a little bit more in there a little later on. But this helps it be creamy, so you don't get that old gritty taste. You know, it makes it taste like it's that homemade. So you take it and you just cook it. You cook it a little longer than what it says, and I guarantee it'll be good. Now, I guarantee it'll be good. Y'all stay tuned. You'll see. Boy, look at it. Look at that toast. Look how creamy that is. Look at it. Creamy. I tried to tell you. Put that milk in there, some of that butter. Cook it a little longer than what it say, about 5 minutes longer. Ooh. Look at it. Look like that. That don't even look like it. It look like it got cheese. There ain't even no cheese in that. Look at it. That's creamy. Add some milk in it. And I done got this fish over here. Look at it. Oh my goodness, that fish is doing the thing over here. I know my uncle girl up in heaven right now, smiling at this right now. He loves his stuff and fishes and grits. I know he's smiling right now. I guarantee it's gonna be good. Y'all stay tuned. I told you to look at that. Will you take a look at that? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at that grits. That grits is so creamy, it look like mashed potatoes. There ain't no cheese in it. Somebody might ask me that cheese. There ain't no cheese in it. Look at this cream like that. My mouth watering right now. It's watering right now. I'm gonna take a few of these here fish right here. I'm putting them on here like that right now. I'm put it right on there like right now. I'm sorry, ain't nobody but me here. I'm the only one eating this. Nobody here but me. I'm out here by myself. My daughter Tiffany said, you know what? One thing I need is a microwave. And I can cook a whole Thanksgiving dinner. I guarantee it's good. Now y'all know, what y'all know about that right there? What y'all know about that? If I had some bread, I have a sandwich. What y'all talking about? What y'all know about that? Y'all don't know about that. But anyway, thank y'all for watching. EC Eats, sponsored by what's going on in the basement. See you till next time. I guarantee it's good. I thought I was done. I thought I got. I had to just come back and show you my face. Whoo! I guarantee it's good. I sure wish you could have some of this right here. I wish you could have some of this right here. I guarantee it's good. I had to just show you my face. I guarantee it's good. Boy. Now that's good. Look at my mustard. Oh. Nah. I ain't gonna do that. Y'all better have some. I guarantee it's good. Y'all be blessed.